Okay, this is the drawing. Today we will make. How we can make in AutoCAD? We will see. I close from here and open the AutoCAD. Go to this new file, and we will be insert the desired image or drawing from where it is. This is in the practice drawing. This is, we have this drawing.
Can insert like that.
We can insert drawing in AutoCAD like this. Okay, first of all, as you know, we have to first set the units, then we create the layers, and then we start the drawings. So first, UN enter for set the units. This is in decimal, make the precision 0. This drawing in centimeter. This is okay. Secondly, if you want to make the drawing limit, okay, otherwise no need to make it. The third step is make the layers. Here LA enter, then this layer dialog box should be open. We will be create new layer. This is my center line. I can change its color, and also I can change the type of line. This is the center line. I select this first one. Okay, go to this is second. I have to make dimension there, and this dimension there. I can choose any color like green color. Change the type, continue, and then these are enough, and then it is close. So now I need the center line. See here, this is the center line. So first I go to the layer, change the layer type, L enter, and I will make this ortho for the straight line. Now I make this line until here. Then you know how I can rotate RO enter. I go to the midpoint, and then I will see the preview by mouse. So if I click up, my object will be rotated 90 degrees. So here C for copy and then click. So this is copy rotate.
No, copy rotate.
Copy rotate. First of all, I have to see this radius is how much? He is saying 20, 10, 20 radius. So I will go to here. Now I change the object in 0. This is the layer. C enter, and then 20 directly, because this is see, no, this object is bigger. So I go here, and I can make also scale here, so I can this is double. Now this my object is, this center line must be bigger than the objects, so I can make no scale. As C enter, and I change, this is the center point, and take double scale.
See in the
As C enter. Okay, I teach you, I tell you later. First see this one. No, he is saying in the same up, he is making 50, 50, and then he is making the circle or arc 10 dia, right? So now from this point, I go up 50. This 50 is here. So this line is must be bigger than this object, this line. So I can stretch this one. S enter, select the side of to stretch, and then I can by mouse I can be increase of this. Okay, later I tell you. There is one circle I need from his center point. His dia is 10. So C enter, his dia D enter, and then this is 10. So I make this circle. So he is joining this two circle by the line. So here I use line command L enter by tangent point. So TAN, tan, click here and then again go to TAN, tan and click here. So he is making this line, joining these two circles by line. For this I can use also L enter and then tan and then here also tan. But this way is not proper way, okay? So you have to make here mirror MI enter from this center to this up center. He is saying to make this similar object I can make mirror. Okay, now I have to trim this one because here have no circle inside. So I trim this one. Also I trim this small part. Here is also, if see, it's okay now. He is saying from this center line to down 40 and from this vertical line to 50 right and left. So I have to make two offset. First 40 from up to down and then okay, first I stretch this object more than this horizontal line. Then I will be make offset 50 from center to the right side. So I am stretching also this one so I can get the center point of this circle. Now he is making here two circles. One is radius is 15 and second is
20 diagram.
20 dia. So here C enter first this is dia is 20. Okay. D enter this 20 and then C enter and this is radius is 15. So this is two circles. Okay, upper he is saying he has one circle, his dia is 26. This is. So here I have to go and I have making C enter D 26. Right? Then he is saying here is also one circle, his radius is 25. So from here C enter and C enter, this is the center point and radius is 25. Enter. Now he is joining this two circle by line. This is tan and other is also TA and tan. This is. Then he is saying he is making from here also one radius is 20. Right? So here he is making one F enter R enter radius 20 from here to here like this. Because this circle, how you can make by fillet command. Yes. So also here radius is 20. F enter, R enter, 20 enter, making from here to here. This is 20. Clear? So this part we make it. Now we have to remove this inside. Also trim this one. Then I will be make mirror. You know this mirror MI enter from this center to this center. Also this line we have to make mirror MI enter from this here. Now I have to trim all of these lines that I don't want, don't need to require. So This is my object, right? Q8, Q20R. So now you can give the dimensions. If you want to see the dimensions, we will be active from your dimension lines, and we will go first. Is showing the diameter. We will go here dimension. This is the diameter from here and also here. See, you are not seeing this dimension. So we have to go dimension, re-enter dimension style manager, modify. This is for fast. You will be do here only two and press this is and go to text scale only make a 5. Okay, set can close. If this 5 is less, also go modify and make this is 10. Okay, set can close. Now this is good enough to see.
What is this standard space of the dimension?
See if you are going to make in centimeters. Okay, this is for 120,
Space
150.
150 the space.
Space for what?
I mean, all the object, right? The space to the
Uh,
dimension.
Space to dimension, see suitable place. Yani where you are seeing this is suitable place. This is not hard and fast rule. But only 10 centi from far from the object. We can say. Allah. This is the radius. This radius is 10. This radius is, and this diameter is, we need here. This radius we need, okay. And this dimensions we need from here to here. And one dimension we need. You can make bigger if you want. If you want more bigger, we can make here. This is around 20. This is overall scale. We not need to make too many settings in the this time. So this is our drawing. Hmm? Also, we need one dimension from here to here. This is our drawing. We can save in the day students, Sanupas.